that the assembly went really well. It took a lot of planning. We missed a bunch of class to plan and get the lighting and the music right. Overall, we wanted to educate people and just show some Black pride because that is often lacking at Cleveland and in Portland in general.
And I also think that Cleveland lacks kind of an education and diversity a lot of the times. And this is like our first Black History Month assembly ever. And so it was really important for us just to make sure that it wasn't boring. It wasn't like someone talking at students, but it was something that students could like listen to that song, be like, I know that song, or be like, oh, that was like lit or whatever, and just have fun and also educate them on stuff that sometimes people don't get to know or aren't learned in classrooms about Black culture.
That assembly was like, wow. It was really a wow, because it was like the planning was really good, and just the whole vibe was just really good. Like, and like everyone in the room was like, it was really weird. Well, when I say really weird, like it got really quiet and people were really attentive, and like that's a really good thing, and it was just really amazing to me just noticing how great our student body is.
The assembly altogether was beautiful. BSU and CARE all rocked the show. I just want to thank everyone for coming and supporting us.
You did not end like that.
Get the dub.
You want to say something?
Yes, thank you for attending the assembly. Yeah, they're really good.
Yeah. So thanks for showing up. Come back next year.
Get the dub.
There we go.